Welcome to our spiritual and cultural journey to Ujjain, in collaboration with Agastya Gurukulam, a leading Sanskritam immersion school dedicated to preserving and promoting the ancient wisdom of India. Ujjain is one of the 7 sacred cities of India. This journey is designed to provide an immersive experience in India's rich spiritual and cultural heritage. Ujjain is also the ancient heart of Indian astronomy and served as the Greenwich of the East, where the prime meridian for timekeeping was established long before GMT. This sacred city's precise calculations and astronomical insights laid the foundation for accurate time and space measurement in the Eastern world. At Ujjain's Jantar Mantar, also known as the Yatra Mandiram, ancient Shastric astronomy and mathematics come to life, offering a profound learning experience through its historic observatory. Delve into the legacy of Ahilyabai Holkar, the great queen who resurrected Dharma in India, by exploring historic sites connected to her reign. Visit Maheshwar, a town graced by the serene flow of the Narmada River, to see how she revitalized the silk industry. Witness the creation of the famous Maheshwari saris, where traditional weavers craft intricate designs that have transformed silk weaving into a vital art and source of livelihood. Our journey continues along the sacred Narmada River, often called the lifeline of central India. Flowing gracefully from the Amarkantak plateau, the Narmada symbolizes the eternal flow of life and spirituality. Experience its tranquil beauty as we visit Omkareshwar, one of the 12 revered Jyotirlingas, situated on an island shaped like the sacred Om symbol in the Narmada River. The river's presence enhances the sanctity of this pilgrimage site, offering a serene backdrop for reflection and devotion. We will also visit the Adi Shankara cave near Omkareshwar, nestled by the banks of the Narmada. It is here that Adi Shankaracharya met his guru, Govinda Bhagavad-pada, sparking a dharmic renaissance in India. The cave provides a profound connection to this pivotal moment in history, surrounded by the natural beauty and spiritual energy of the Narmada. Further, explore the sacred Jyotirlinga of Mahakaleshwar in Ujjain, experiencing rituals that have been practiced for centuries and learning about ancient temple architecture and epigraphy. Agastya Gurukulam's expert educators will lead engaging sessions on Sanskritam, history, and the architecture of the temples. This educational experience is designed to enrich young minds with knowledge that goes beyond the classroom. We prioritize the safety and comfort of our participants. With well-planned logistics, comfortable accommodations, and expert guidance, we ensure a worry-free experience for both students and parents. Embark on this transformative journey with us. Let your child discover the timeless heritage of India while creating memories that will last a lifetime. Join us as we explore Ujjain and its surrounding treasures with Agastya Gurukulam. For more information and to register for the trip, visit our website or contact us directly. We look forward to sharing this incredible experience with you.